you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this afternoon, I want to teach you how to create a Tubelight effect in Figma. All you have to do is to draw a rectangle and then hit your fill button, come to your gradient, and then you want to change the linear to angular. So you're going to get something like this. So let's just add one more stop to this. You want to go all the way changing or should I call it rotation. We want to make it 50%. I like this. So this is 50%. You want to add one more to that. So let's just go the way black for these two. You can see that. And also this one, want to do one F, one F, one F, one F, one F. That's the second one. The third one, let's go. Let's have some colors like this. I think this work. No. So this should be this, and here should be one F, one F, one F. Hope I'm right. By the time you duplicate this and turn to the right, you're gonna get this effect. If you want me to go that one more time, all right. Let me go over that one more time. You draw a rectangle, hit your gradient, then change the linear to angular, and from your angular you want to the first one, you want to just do colors like, let's go the way like this. Yeah, this makes sense. Let's go the way down, make it dark a little bit. 0.4, you want to have one more stop, and then you want to bring this color to this place, this color, the same color, so it can be unified. And the last one, you want to go all the way, let's choose a color like this. I think I like this. You see what you have? If you should duplicate this either to the left or to the right, duplicate it now, flip horizontally, you're gonna get this. And then when you merge the two together, this is what you get. So now that you have this, you can, I think it's nice if you just group it. So let's group it, and this is the group. Then you want to have a frame, and then the frame. So what can you do with this design I'm teaching you how to create? We can do a lot of stuff with it. Let's just bring this group into this space, and then maybe let's increase the size. Let's increase the size all the way down, to the right, to the left. All right, I think this is perfect. This is perfect. What can we do? So there is one more thing we can do. If we should duplicate this same box and apply a blend mode, and let the blend mode be plus lighter. If you bring that in, you have more brightness. You can see that. So this is great. At the same time, if you want to add more for the sake of context, so you can see the difference, let's take this out without the plus lights. Now this is the one with the blend mode. And let's say, for example, you want to change you want it to have double colors. You want to just change this to something like this, have that pink field, and want to reduce the opacity by 50%. You see that? Now this is beautiful, but I'm not getting the light effects. The main source is looking like light is concealed in that darkness. So maybe we should just put I'm going to draw a rectangle right above it, and let's say the height is 4. Make it white all the way down. Now we're getting the light effect. You see that? But I don't want it to be this is too sharp. A light is not this sharp, so I'm just gonna add some layer blur to it. Perfect. You see what I'm talking about? Now you can have this, and you want to have some things to write on it. You want to make it look like a website. Or for example, if this let there be light, this is great. I want to use Clash for this design. This is Clash display let there be light, semi-bold. I'm going to just add some gray to this. Yeah, perfect. I love this. So let's add, you come to the middle. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna make it darker. Yeah, I think it's gonna make sense with a bit darker. Yeah, 78, 78, 78. Just duplicate that all over here, and then you have this, Let there be light. Explore. Let's explore. Let's explore sounds. Let's explore light in case you want to use this for, but this not the aim of this tutorial, but just playing around with you guys. Let's spend some more time to see what we can achieve with this. You get it? So I believe I've been able to help someone. This is something I did for this one thing I did. So if you place this side by side, you're gonna get something great. Let there be light, and this is great. You can tweak the colors, you can change the colors, and this is gonna be a nice one. So thank you for watching. It's your friend Optimus signing out. I'll see you in the next tutorial.